Good morning, this is Kelly with Summerhill Village. It's Saturday, October 21st. I am getting all of our homes open to tour. We have the open house, 11 to 3. Come by anytime. I'm opening all the homes up now. This is one of our Barton 2 models. This home, obviously you can see, is full of upgrades, finished drywall, super popular island, walk-in pantry, split floor plan. It even has a coat closet. The primary bedroom is down here, and then the other 2 bedrooms are down here. So 3 bedroom, 2 bath, yes, 2 bathroom. And check out this kitchen. Now I'm going to show you the mudroom real quick. This video is just one of many homes that we're going to have open today from 11 to 3. This is the mudroom. Check it out. The washer dryer go here. You've got a wash sink, cabinets, a window. And the cool thing about this model home, I mean, there's so many cool things, but you can shut the door if you're doing laundry. So everybody doesn't have to see the laundry room if you choose not to. So this home is for sale. You can also rent this home. We have just a few rentals available. We never rent homes, but we have a couple deals. If you're looking for a new place, first of all, purchasing is going to get you the best deal. And we have in-house financing, and they consider all credit. So do not think you can't get pre-approved. It's pretty easy. So purchasing is your best deal. Renting, you won't believe the monthly payment on this house for rental. And the nice thing is you can rent it for 12 months and then decide to buy it. We also have a program called Ownership Rocks. For the first 6 months, we save your down payment for you. So you're renting 6-month rent to own, and then you're purchasing the home on the 7th month, and we've saved all your payments for you for your down payment. Yeah, everybody gets excited to hear about that. So, with that being said, stop by. We have limited homes available until the end of the year. And all of our homes are priced right and super affordable, and I'm going to almost guarantee you in most cases, way less than what you're paying in rent. Not to mention the money you're going to save in your utility bills. These homes have double pane thermal windows. They have upgraded insulation. Of course, they're new. So everything is new. Energy efficient appliances, energy efficient furnace. And we throw in central air conditioning. And we even give you a free shed. Walk-in shower. There's so many perks to this house. And there's so many ways that you can get pre-approved to get into one of these homes. Call or text me, 989-560-0785. My name's Kelly. Go to our website, 4leafprop.com. There you can see all of our homes. And why not just stop out? The weather's fresh. There's no rain. Come out. Come by the clubhouse, grab a map, grab a snack, and choose your new place today. Hope to see you.